Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am taking this old wig that I have and I am changing it, basically revamping it and making it into a knotless braided wig. Okay, bear with me. Just bear with me, you guys. Have you ever been in a situation where, at least for me, I wanted to purchase a braided wig. But I don't know if it's because of the pandemic or whatever the case may be. Everything has gone up. I purchased a braided wig before and the price was right, so I bought it. I wanted to purchase a full lace braided wig. The price ain't right. So I remembered I had a full lace wig that I purchased maybe 6 or 7 months ago at a good price. I actually tried to purchase another one, like a new one with all the lace still there. Listen, I ain't gonna buy it for no $400. Are you crazy? What they thinking? $400 for a full lace wig? 12 inches? I bought this wig 7 months ago. This is 14 inches full lace wig 7 months ago for $186. You're telling me that the 12-inch full lace is $400? Where? No, I'm not gonna do that. So anyway, enough ranting. So I remember I bought this particular full lace wig. It could be parted anywhere. Full lace. Full lace. Listen, it's giving me scalp. Okay? Scalp. And I was like, you know what? Let me see if I can do my own braided wig. My own knotless braid wig. So I have an old wig that I purchased, which you're not gonna find a full lace wig for that price anymore, which is ridiculous. So then I ended up going to a beauty store in my area and I bought braiding hair. It's ombre. So I bought braiding hair. How long is this? So these are 60 inches. 60 inches braiding hair. Y'all won't believe how much I bought this pack. This pack. So I think I have about 5 of these packs. Hoping that it'll be enough. If it's not, I'm gonna make it enough because I'm not gonna go back and go to a store and buy more because I'm just lazy like that. You know, I'm lazy. Anyway, $2.99. You heard right. $2.99 for this pack of hair. So I honestly don't know what I'm doing, what the heck I'm doing, but I wanted to try and see if I can do a knotless braid wig myself because I'm not paying $400. And you know, the longer the hair, the more it costs. I'm not gonna pay that. I'm sorry. Listen, I have mouths to feed, but I still want to look good. And I still want to feel good. I just don't want to spend that kind of money. Got bills to pay. Anyway, y'all, your girl had no business bleaching knots. As well, I'm okay bleaching knots on like a frontal, but I had no business bleaching knots on a full lace wig. Turned out a hot mess, but you know what? We're gonna continue. It's all right. I'm not gonna let that stop me. So I did bleach the knots, and like I said, this is an old wig, and I don't really have lace because the lace has been cut off. I had this wig for about 7 months or so. The lace is already cut off. So I had to find a way to get it as flat as possible. So I just took out the baby hairs that, you know, that I might be using, might not be using. I don't know yet. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I might regret this, but we're gonna watch and see how well this turns out. So listen, this is how I did it. All right, that's called innovation. You know, I created something here. So let's get into the video now. So guys, I am so sorry for that little rant I was having, but I needed you guys to understand my thinking process as to why I was taking an old wig and basically revamping it and making it into a knotless braided wig. So right here, as you can see, I basically took out all the baby hairs, or all the hairs I'm going to need to help mask the lace if needed. May not need it, who knows. But I'm starting to do the knotless braid, and I'm noticing I don't know what I'm doing. I am struggling. I am having a very difficult time doing this. So, you know, I'm not perfect. Half the time, I don't know what I'm doing. I am just a person who knows how to finesse. I can finesse things. And that's what I did with this wig. I finessed it. And it worked for me at the end of the video. You'll see how the wig turns out. So I'm taking my time. I'm adding pieces in with my right hand. I'm adding pieces into my left hand. And I think altogether I added 3 pieces per braid, per section. I didn't want it to be too thick. I didn't want the actual braid to be too thick. And I also didn't want it to be extremely thin. I kind of wanted it to be proportioned. So I'm taking my time. I'm adding in the braid. I'm adding the extensions into the hair. I'm trying to make sure that you can't tell where the hair starts and where the extension ends. I'm trying to make it as seamless as possible. Another thing, I don't know if I mentioned it. I'm pretty sure I didn't mention it. You want your wig to be as flat as possible on the wig mannequin head, or whatever wig mannequin head that you're using. You want it to be as flat as possible. If not, it's going to be lumpy, bumpy, and disgusting. Right here, I'm basically just showing you how I'm parting the sections before I start to braid them. And this is how it looks so far. That was a mission. I'm gonna tell you now, just doing that alone was a mission. This is as neat as I can do it. I feel like I did my best. You know, you guys can go right ahead and comment that down below and let me know, how do you feel about how I'm doing so far. Okay guys, it is super late. Well, it's not super late, but I'm tired. So this is how far I've gotten. This is how far I've gotten. So one of these, now remember, 3 of these come in one pack. So this is the second, I want to call it, let's call it bundle. So this is the second bundle in the one pack that I have. This is one whole bundle. I don't know if I'm doing it too big. I have no clue. I'm not the best at parting, but I don't know, y'all. All I know is that I am doing my best. And so far, this is what I got. Yeah. Low key. I'm looking a mess, y'all. I'm so sorry. Low key, I probably should have just spent the money. Like, this took me like 2 hours. It took me 2 hours, y'all. Yeah, I'm tired. So I'm done for today. This might take me about a week. I don't know. We'll see about tomorrow. So guys, it's a completely different day. And I'm just showing how far I've gotten. I want to say that I've gotten pretty far. I have currently used one whole pack. This is how much hair that has been done on one pack of hair. Guys, when I tell you this video was a struggle. Parting was hard. I struggled to part the wig. As you can tell, if you look closely, some of the parting is a little off, but you know what? This is my very first wig that I am trying to attempt to do a knotless full lace wig for myself. And it definitely was a struggle. It was so hard to do. But I feel like at the end, everything kind of just came together. Right here, I'm just basically showing you how I am parting. It's like I didn't know what I wanted to do. Like, I wanted to part one section, then I changed my mind. I'm like, no, I'm going to try parting it towards the middle, the crown of the head. And then I ended up changing my mind again. I was like, you know what? I just need to figure out something. I just need to part something. So the struggle is real. Even though everything turned out great at the end, the process was a struggle. So I'm just showing you how I'm going to be parting it in 3 sections. I am using the Got To Be hairspray to help with all the flyaways, because this wig had quite a bit of flyaways. It wasn't annoying because the Got To Be spray basically held it in place, and then I just used like banana clips to for extra security, just to keep the flyaways out of my parting and that everything is as neat as I possibly can get it. But I really do like how everything turned out. It did take time to do, but it was definitely worth it. I would say that. It was definitely worth it. Will I do it again? Most definitely. I will definitely do this again. So guys, this is the finished product. I think it turned out so beautiful. You know, half the time I didn't know what the heck I was doing. So let me be honest. This took me 3 days. 3 days to do this. 3 days. The first day, I think I did about 2.5 hours just to get the feel of it. By day 2, I think I did about 5.5 hours. And today, I did about 6 hours. I am a very slow braider, so this took me longer than I expected. The hair is super duper long. But overall, I think I did a really good job. I think it turned out great. You know, you could do any style with it, which I love. You know, there are some big mistakes, and then there's, you know, some minor mistakes. But like I said, this is my very first time attempting to do a braided unit on a full lace wig. I am not a professional. I never claimed to be a professional. But for my first time, I think I did pretty good. For my first time, I think I did very well. So please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. If you would like to see more videos like this, me trying to do a DIY on a wig or even nails, go ahead and comment that down below. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications on, so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be the first to see it. Thank you for watching the video.